Gonna lie, but baby, you get pretty wild, girl, when you take it on. Take it on. When days turn to night, that's when you show your other side with all those freaky thoughts.
Here's what Tabia looks like fresh out of the packaging. She has like these nice body wave type of curls, which I think is really nice. But I have her in the color 1B, and she is a silk base lace front wig, and she has 4 inches of parting space. Hi guys, it's Tanisha Nicole here, and I'm excited to be back. Today I am reviewing another wig from Beautybyintel.com, and this unit that I'm rocking is called Tabia, and it's from Freetress Equal. It is a silk base lace front wig. Let's just get into the specifications. First I want to start off by showing you guys what it looks like on the stock card so that you guys can see. Here she is, and like I said before, this is a silk base lace front wig. You get 4 inches of parting space from front to back, and then 4 inches from side to side. So that's probably like about from here to here the lace is, and then there's like some lace, like a thin layer of lace on the sides. Pretty much like you can kind of part her with anywhere within those 4 inches, but I just decided to do like a little side part swoop thing. I just want to get the color options out of the way. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She comes in 9 different colors on Beautybyintel's website. All of Beautybyintel's information will be listed below. And one thing that I do want to get out of the way before we continue is that Beautybyintel offers free shipping for orders over $49. Okay, honey? So go ahead, get you a wig or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, and it will be free shipping for you guys if you live in the continental US. Okay, let's see what else. All right, there's 2 combs, 1 on each side. There's 3 combs, 1 on each side, and then 1 in the back. It has adjustable straps. Pretty much the same wig construction as most wigs. As you can see, like, she's serving up nice, effortless, like, waves. Like, they're not too defined, you know what I mean? Like, they're just like, to me, this is like nice. Like, this is just really nice. I'm gonna lift up a little bit so you can kind of see how she's coming. When I first took Tabby out of the box, to me it kind of reminded me of like what like virgin hair looks like in its natural state. Like, it's really soft. Like, I feel like you can kind of low-key be finessing people out here. Like, I don't know, when I look at her, I automatically think that this is like, I get like a real hair vibe from her. Like, I don't get synthetic. Like, she's not serving me synthetic vibes, and I'm here for all of it. Like, this looks like I got some fresh bundles installed up into my head with a fresh lace front. But anyway, all of the direct links to this will be listed below, as always, as I do in all my review videos, so you guys can check her out. So yeah, let's just get into what you guys are here for. Should you buy this? So first we're gonna start with the cons, and then we're gonna end with the pros. And I hope I'm not speaking too prematurely when I say this, but I honestly have no cons. I mean, like, I honestly have no cons. Like, I'm feeling this. Like, it's a vibe for me. Yes, like, it's a whole entire vibe. Like, I don't even have any cons today. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't shoot me. Don't kill me. Don't get angry. But I'm really loving her. But I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, like, I'm trying to think. Like, I really don't have no cons. Like, she says, like, I don't even, like, she says a little bit, but it's not, like, anything too crazy. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say it again. I ain't got no cons. Shoot me, kill me, eat me alive. But yeah, I don't have any cons. Now, my pros. I love how soft she is. Like, look at all of this. My body on your body, baby. Like, I love all of the body. I love how full she is. I love how soft she is. I don't know. Like, I just genuinely enjoy this wig. Like, this is a unit that I highly, highly, highly recommend, like, straight off the bat. Like, I took it out of the box and I knew I knew this was it. I was like, yeah, this one about to be lit. Like I noticed that like the curl pattern underneath is kind of like a little bit more defined versus the curl pattern on top. But I don't know, I still kind of like how it just all blends and comes together. Like it just works really well together for me. This curl pattern is really nice. Like this reminds me of some nice little vacation hair. Like when you want to be cute, but you know you want to be cute, but you don't want to be trying too hard. Like I feel like this will be hitting for me. So I'm trying to think what else. And I love the length of her. If I had to guess, I would assume that she's 5'2". What? I would assume that she's about 24 inches because she stops right at maybe 24. I want to say like 24, 22 because she comes like stretch. She comes right like she meets my butt crack when I do, you know, when I pull her. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I just like this. Like it has soft lace on it when I got it. I cut the lace off. I concealed the part. I did not pluck it or anything like that. I just add concealer because, honey, when I tell you your girl is lazy, I'm lazy, okay? So I don't got time for all that plucking and all of that stuff. I added some baby hairs trying to be cute because we out here making people think that this is bundles when it's not, honey. And I don't really know, like I don't know how much she costs. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm like super hot underneath all of these lights. I'm not sure how much she costs. I really don't feel like she's more than $30. She's very affordable. And yeah, I'm sorry, I feel like this video was like because I really don't have anything to say. Like I genuinely love her. I like her. I would highly recommend Tabia. I would buy her with my own money. I encourage you guys to spend your hard-earned money on her. And when you do, let me know how you like her. Come back to this video and let your girl know, did Tabia work for you? Did she not work for you? Let me know because, honey, she is working for me. Like I love her. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Come join my little family, okay? We a little nice wig community over here. What was blowing me up? Anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all anymore. Feel free to shop Beautybyintel.com. Holla at them down below. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I have to say. Bye.
With the bunch of knobs, I win. Get off the bench and give a bunch of fobs. I don't see ya, bitch, I'm the greatest, no Kendrick and no C.